Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility. And we're going to learn about wrapping the radio buttons in a field set element. So when we have a form and we have radio buttons, and that's what we can see here, where is the multiple choice. It's a form tag, right? And then inside this form, we can put a field set tag to nest the entire legend, input, and label. So inside of this, it's all nested within the field set. And this legend element gives a description of what this form is about if it's not self-explanatory. And we have an input and a legend, input and a label. And then the ID of the input should corresponding with the label. So 4 should be equal to what the ID is. And for this exercise, we want to change the div tag surrounding the radio buttons to a field set tag and change the p tag inside it to a legend. So we go here. We want to change the div tag to a field set. And now I'm going to close this tag. And then we're going to change the p tag to a legend. So the p tag gives a description of it. Sorry. And there you go. And that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.